Nurse. Nursing grade. Nurses working in a hospital have the following grades. Student nurse. A nurse who is still in training. Staff nurse. A nurse who has completed the training course. Charge nurse. A more experienced nurse who is in charge of or responsible for a ward or department. Nurse manager, a nurse who is in charge of several wards. Note: the old term sister is still something used for a female charge nurse. A female nurse manager may be called matron. Support workers. The clinical support worker who has done a short course in obtaining basic qualification in the nursing auxiliary who is usually unqualified but assists nursing staff. There may also be ward clerks whose duties include making sure patients' notes and information are up to date and answering the telephone. Specialization. Like doctors, nurses can specialize. A midwife has specialized from the beginning by doing a course in midwifery, the management of pregnancy and childbirth. District nurse visit patients in the homes. Health visitor also work in the community, giving advice on the promotion of health and the prevention of illness. The nurse role. The nurse role has changed considerably in recent years. In addition to general patient care, checking temperatures, pulse rate, and blood pressures, checking dressing, giving injection, and removing sutures. Nurses now do some of the things previously previously reserved for doctors, such as prescribing drugs and ordering laboratory tests. More responsibly for nurse implanted, as the following article demonstrates. Nurse carry out surgery in efforts to cut patients waiting lists. Nurse in Scotland trained to perform minor surgery have entered the operating theatre for the first time in an effort to cut patients' waiting times. 5 nurses who have paced a new course at Glasgow Caledonian University are now qualified to carry out such procedures as the removal of small lesions beginning moles and cysts. The verbs performed and carried out are used with all types of procedures that are often used in the past forms. Performs carried out an examination, an operation, and procedure, an experiment, a test, a biopsy. The procedures was performed carried out by a nurse.